Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your in-store order settings. Again, if you haven't logged in yet, please log in and then go to My Store Setup, and then click on Delivery and Pickup Settings. Then click on In-Store. So before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about what this feature does. This feature can potentially offer significant cost saving to businesses. Let's take, for example, a restaurant. If this in-store order feature is enabled for a restaurant, customers will be able to order online without having to wait for servers or queue up for orders. So instead, they can go directly to the restaurant's online store and start placing their orders. Then tell the kitchen their table number. They can choose to place the order and make payment straight away, or they can commit and pay later. Either option will send a notification to the kitchen. If the seller has set up e-printer, then they will receive a printout for this order on that printer. The kitchen will also be able to see all the active orders for pickup, for delivery, or for in-store self-service orders from their dashboard. Now, if the buyer selected to commit and pay later, then they can always add to the order without having to wait for service. So this feature gives the buyers control and convenience. They want to do things themselves rather than wait for service. Now, to enable in-store order services in your shop, you just need to first enable the status, then ensure that the Show on submenu is checked. Enter the name of the page. This field lets you change the label in store to another label that is more appropriate for your customer group. So for instance, in this example, I've selected to label this in-store service feature as self-service because I think that makes more sense. If you want to add a shop banner image, click Browse, find your image and upload it. Same with pickup settings and delivery settings. You can allow for minimum time delay here as well. Show image and show description, we've already been through that. Same with store layout, you can choose from a short description or a long description. In the email order field and copy emails to, simply enter the email addresses of where you want the orders to be sent to. Don't forget that you can also put in the email address of your e-printer if you want the orders to be printed out on that printer. Another thing to remember also is that your orders will also be shown on the dashboard here. Last but not least, enter the specific terms and conditions for in-store services. Once you're done, click Save. Thank you for watching.